Which Android TV box is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Nvidia Shield TV Pro. The Nvidia Shield Android TV Pro caught my eye with its sleek design and promises of high performance. Priced at $199, it's on the higher end of the spectrum, but if you want top-tier streaming, this is worth a serious look. This device is powered by the Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus chip, which means you get real-time 4K upscaling. Imagine watching your favorite shows in crisper, clearer visuals that really pop. Plus, with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, your home theater experience will feel like you're at the movies. And if gaming is your thing, it supports GeForce Now for cloud gaming, giving you access to popular titles like Fortnite. With a 4.4-star rating from over 13,400 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some users mention that the price is a bit steep for a streaming device. I get that. $199 isn't pocket change. But here's the thing. If you're serious about streaming quality and gaming, the performance you get justifies the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a serious gamer or someone who values high-quality streaming. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic streaming without the bells and whistles. Now, if the price of the Nvidia Shield bothered you, this next one offers a more budget-friendly approach without skimping on features. Product number 2, TiVo Stream 4K. The TiVo Stream 4K is a game-changer at an incredibly low price of just $39.99. I love how it promises to consolidate all your streaming needs into one device. If navigating multiple apps has frustrated you, this is worth a serious look. This device is designed to eliminate the hassle of constant app switching. You can access recommendations across all your streaming platforms, which means less time searching for what to watch. It even has integrated Google Assistant, so just by speaking, you can launch apps or control your smart home devices. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's clear that people are loving this for its simplicity. However, some users did mention occasional lag during heavy streaming. I'll be real with you. That's something you might encounter with budget devices. But for most casual users, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward streaming experience without the clutter. Skip this one if you have a ton of apps that don't play nice together. It's hard to beat this value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want 4K without the extra features. Product number 3, ONN Android TV streaming device. Next up is the ONN Android TV 4K UHD streaming device, which I found for a great deal. It's not priced yet, but it's typically around the $30 range, making it a fantastic entry-level option. If you're looking for a no-frills streaming experience, this is worth a serious look. With 4K Ultra HD resolution, this device allows you to enjoy your shows and movies with 4 times the clarity of standard HD. It comes with voice remote control, letting you easily search for content with just your voice. Plus, it plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port, making setup a breeze. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's gaining some serious traction. However, some buyers noted that the range of apps available isn't as extensive as other options. Look, that could be a downside if you're looking for niche streaming services. But if you primarily use big names like Netflix and Prime Video, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want straightforward, high-quality streaming. Skip this one if you're a serious binge watcher who needs access to every app imaginable. You're getting great value for the price here. Now, if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, the next one might just be what you need. Product number 4, Xiaomi Android Google TV Box. The Xiaomi Android Google TV Box S is priced at $94.99, and it offers a solid balance of features. This one really stood out with its support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, giving you an immersive viewing experience. If you want cinematic quality in your living room, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this device is the powerful 6nm platform that ensures smooth operation. The 4K UHD resolution delivers stunning visuals, while Wi-Fi 6 connectivity ensures fast streaming without buffering. The built-in Google TV is also a huge plus, providing personalized recommendations and a seamless app experience. It has a respectable 4.2-star rating from 111 reviews, suggesting that users are quite happy with their purchase. However, a few users reported that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. I get it, tech can be frustrating, but once it's up and running, you're getting a solid device that performs well. This is perfect for you if you want an upgraded streaming experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something that's super simple to set up. It's a great value for everything you get. Now, if you're interested in another Xiaomi product, the next one has even more exciting features. Product number 5, Xiaomi Android Google TV Box 3rd Gen. Finally, we have the Xiaomi Android Google TV Box 3rd Gen, slightly more expensive at $98.99. It's hard not to appreciate the advancements this device brings. If you're looking to future-proof your streaming, this is worth a serious look. This model also supports 4K UHD with Dolby Vision and DTS-X, ensuring you get an outstanding audiovisual experience. It carries the same robust performance as its predecessor, but with additional enhancements in connectivity and speed. The 4.5-star rating from 121 reviews reflects a positive reception. That said, some users have mentioned that the remote can be a little sensitive, which might annoy some people during late-night binge sessions. Here's the thing, though, once you get used to it, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want the latest technology for your streaming needs. Skip this one if you prefer a device that's more basic and less tech-heavy. For what you get, it's a solid investment. So, to wrap it up, the Nvidia Shield TV Pro is for serious gamers and high-end streamers, while the TiVo Stream 4K simplifies your viewing experience. The ONN device is perfect for newbies, and the Xiaomi Android TV box offers great quality for your money. Finally, the upgraded Xiaomi model gives you future-proofing for your streaming needs. Whatever your preference, there's definitely a solid option here for everyone.